Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing pussy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Winnie G, and if you're new here and if you're returning, then hey girl, how you doing? Let's go ahead and get into this curly closure install. This tutorial will be a part of my quick styling series because ain't nobody got time to be doing their hair all day. So not only do I want to come to you guys and show you styles that are quick to achieve, I also want to show you styles that are quick to reapply. And I can promise you that having this style of wig in your arsenal will never get old, and quite frankly, you probably will never restyle her. You can just throw it on over and over and over again and put it right back in your weave bag and call it a day. Today's video is sponsored by Nadula Hair. They sent me over this 7x5 closure wig. It has pre-bleached knots, a pre-plucked hairline, and pre-cut lace, so it's super beginner friendly. I got it in a texture kinky curly and the length 24 inches, but we're definitely going to cut her down a bit, so keep that in mind. Now, I already have my hair braided and my bald cap on, so I went ahead and just popped the wig on, and this is what she's given right out of the bag. She even came with some baby hairs, baby. Unfortunately, with the style that we're doing today, you're not going to be able to see them, but they're there. And as you can see, I have not applied any product. This wig is completely glueless, but it is very much so laid. And once I have the elastic band and everything placed to my liking, I'm going in and placing those combs into my cap and making sure that everything kind of stays in place while we get the cut together. And to begin the cut, I'm going to start with my bangs. I parted out a small little section in the front of my head, and I'm starting off by using my razor comb to cut it a little bit longer than I actually wanted, and I'm going to take it up little by little until I have it just right. You don't want to cut too much at a time because it'll go from too long to entirely too short real fast, and this hair is not going to go back. So take your time and make sure that you get everything exactly how you want it. And start to really build that round shape by adding layers all the way around my head to kind of complement the bangs in the front. You can kind of see that the right side is starting to have a lot more shape to it because I'm adding layers to it, whereas the left side with no layers is kind of flat. I really want that big, round, lion's mane, curly fro look. And the best way to get that look is to create layers. Now you can use scissors, but I feel like with scissors you kind of take off a lot more hair at one time, and it's a lot less forgiving. So I like to go in with my razor comb first, and then once I have an idea of where I want everything, I go in with my scissors to kind of clean everything up and do a little bit more of a precise cut.
See, I'm a star. Look at me from afar. Hard to be down to earth when you nesting on Mars. You comment on how I move. Too much space to assume, but I'ma tell you the truth. Shit, now when I'm gone and I roam round the globe for 3 months, that's too long. Without something that's sweet, so I phone little treats. That's a snack, not a feast. They don't mean much to me, cause I know that I have a bakery back at home. Am I wrong for the
And once the cut starts coming together, I'm using my hot comb to kind of redirect the hair to go straight forward in my face instead of having that middle part that the wig came with. For a styling product, I'm going in with this foaming lotion by The Dew, and I'm applying it to the ends of the hair. And you could stop here, just kind of defining the bangs, but I wanted to add a little bit more definition to the hair all the way around the wig. And honestly, defining the curls kind of helps you to see exactly what you cut. And typically, I go back in and give it another trim after I do this. Because once the curls are defined, you can really see how everything is falling and kind of just perfect things a little bit more. I love that foaming lotion because you don't really have to add water to the hair. If I was to add water to the hair and that foaming lotion, drying it would have took so much longer, and it would have just made this process unnecessarily long. I did this entire style in less than 30 minutes, from taking the hair out of the bag to the cut to defining the curls, and I love the way it came out. I'm going to keep cutting it as time goes on, to be honest. It takes me a few wears to really be done cutting a wig. I have to see how it falls and just trim it as I go, but this is the finished look for today. I love the curly bangs. It looks so natural. You cannot tell me this is not my hair, and I got so many compliments on it. I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's video. All the details about this hair will be in the description bar below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, babes.